After 3 months of hard and hot summer, I witnessed the most beautiful moment today, and that is the first rain. I'm going to show you whatever the magical moments I witnessed with my eye. So, I'll take you to this journey, the first rain. Many people have different opinions about the rain, and it gives you the pleasant weather and the magical fog, and the temperatures are like heaven. You will feel very fresh in this season. Especially for me, it is the most beautiful season ever in year. After a heavy rainfall for an hour, and finally I took out my bike just to explore the places nearby to witness whatever going on, and I want to show you. And the first point is I went to petrol pump. I just want to fuel up my vehicle, so I fueled it and I waited for some time there. Because I need to capture some moments, like people are waiting, some people are waiting for rain to stop, and some people are coming in the rain just to fill up the fuel. And many motor vehicles are there. They are looking absolutely crazy in this rainy weather, and whatever the reflection is coming from the vehicles, it's just complementing the weather. And after that, I explored a road, empty road, whatever the market is there in the location, and that market is looking absolutely fine. And when I reached the market become dull, and there is no sufficient light to shoot, and there might be some noise in the camera, but the visuals are like hell. So many people are walking around the roads just to buy some goods and things. I think so this is the magical moment what we are waiting for from the past 9 months, and finally the monsoon began. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll meet you again with a new video. Thank you.